everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia. So ignore my dog who has just found some leftover peanut butter in her Kong toy. She's decided to make those disgusting noises. Today is a Monday. Also sorry for this weird angle, it's just that I left my tripod at home, so I'm having to rest my heavy camera on the desk. I thought today, as it's Monday and it's another lockdown Monday, I could film a little vlog of my day and what I get up to when the shop's closed and there's no one here. I'm currently only coming in 3 days a week just to fulfill online orders and collections, and I've still got commission work to do, so I've been doing a bit of that here and then taking it home when I'm not here. So yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to show you what I do. I know that a lot of you do like these more vloggy type videos. All I've done this morning is come in. I went for a dog walk this morning. I've come in, I've turned everything on, hot water, heating up, till system, and I'm just going to get started on printing orders and getting myself organised. Okay, so I've finished all my paperwork now and done all the orders, replied to all my emails. Did I already say that? I feel like, you know, when Monday is just like the hardest day out of the week, and I never really know why, because I always get excited for a Monday because I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna like go to work and get loads of stuff done. It just turns into like a thing where time just disappears and it's already nearly lunchtime and I feel like I haven't moved from my laptop. But I'm upstairs now. I've set up Luna's bed by the window so she can be with me, because she doesn't normally get to do that when we're here. And I just thought I'd get started on a few commissions. So I've got a magazine commission to start and I've got a trade order to start. So I think I'm gonna do the trade order first and see how I get on, and then I'll stop for lunch. But yes. Also today I am wearing, what am I wearing? I've got loads of layers on because it's normally really cold in here. I've got my Heyday dungarees on, which is a made by Jack's mum pattern, and I've also got my hair's gone everywhere. My favourite new top, which is the Freya by Tilly the Buttons, but I made it in a size bigger and in this lovely like stretch jersey. My dungarees are made in our Meet Milk Tencel Twill, which is so buttery soft. And I've also got my Charlotte Benzant sewing necklace on. And yeah, and some boots and thousands of layers underneath. I've even got tights on. Okay, so stupidly my battery has run out on my camera, so I am filming this clip on my phone, and then what I'm going to do is go home, charge it, and then when I come in on Wednesday I will continue this day, so sorry about that. Hello everybody, so it's Wednesday. I've just realised that I haven't checked my makeup and it's probably really messy because I just went for a dog walk. Oh god, it's all smudged everywhere. I just went for a dog walk in like the strongest winds and rain. So feeling a little bit damp, a little bit dishevelled. But I'm back. Same outfit, different underlayers. Oh, different necklace. I'm wearing my So Dainty scissor necklace today. But yeah, I'm feeling a bit like all over the place today. But I've got a few fun things that I need to do today, so you're coming with me whether you like it or not. You know it's got serious when my hair's tied up. What have I been doing? Packaged a few orders, packaged up some commissions that I can't show you sadly. And then an order arrived, supplies, which I'll just quickly show you. It's not that exciting, but just a few extra bits for the shop. And I'm just about to go upstairs and carry on with more commission work. I'm just boiling the kettle again because my tea went cold. Classic Sophia. Okay, so stock wise, I just got some macrame stuff, some more thread, recycled and non-recycled. I also got these with the macrame stuff, mainly due to the fact that I thought they'd be perfect for crafts for Mum and Baby Club when they come back. I just thought we could do some macrame like teethers and stuff. So yeah, I got those for storage. And then we needed some more like basic sewing kits. We get a lot of kids coming here, especially for after school club and stuff, and a lot of the parents always need like just really basic standard supplies for them at home. And these were on my supplier's website and they were pretty perfect, so I ordered some of those as well. And I mean, come on, there's pink and orange, I couldn't resist. Okay, so nothing really has happened since I last spoke to you, but I've just been working hard. I had my lunch, took Luna out in the pouring rain for her wee break, and now I'm just carrying on with commissions just for like another half an hour or so, and then I'm gonna head home. It's getting dark already and Luna's getting a bit sick of being here, so yeah, we'll go home soon. I am packing up and getting ready to go home. Irons off. I was just going to put away. Let me put you down while I clean up. So I'm sorry if this vlog was a little bit boring today. Well, it was Monday and a Wednesday blended together. And I look so tired. But I'm fine. I'm not tired at all. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will hopefully see you again very soon. Have a lovely week, everyone, and I will see you next time. Have your handmade.